Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will show you guys how to remove and replace serpentine belt on Dodge Charger or Magnum guys. We have quite a few of those here at the shop working on them. We actually pulled an engine out of it. We're doing an engine replacement, and what we're going to do guys, we're going to show you how to remove the belt since the engine is out, so we have more room to show you how exactly the serpentine belt needs to be installed, how it needs to be removed. So stay with us, we're gonna do that now. So in order to remove it guys, that's the tensioner pulley right here, and you need to use a 3/8. You can see a ratchet like that, okay, and we are going to apply pressure, okay, you can see clockwise, and the belt will get loose. And once it gets loose guys, you can just pull it out, okay, look at that, like that. And if you need to remove it, you just go ahead, feed it through the pulleys, okay, right here, that's the belt guys. So when you're ready to install it, we'll show you how to do that now. So when you get the new belt guys, what you need to do, you need to feed it through that pulley there first, okay, the tensioner pulley right here. And we'll recommend to check your pulleys when you install new belt. We'll be having another video how to remove and replace the tensioner pulley and that pulley right there, the little one. So check it out, it will be on our channel soon, and you can see we already messed it up. So stay with us, we're gonna show you how the diagram is and how you need to install it. So after the tensioner pulley, you need to go to the crankshaft. From the crankshaft you go all the way to the AC compressor there, then to the power steering pump, which is located right here. Make sure it goes in all the grooves. It's doable in the car without removing anything. If you need more space, you can remove the fan, and we have the video on our channel how to do it. Now the last one we're going to install, it will be the alternator, but when it's in the car you can do it on that pulley. So you go clockwise again, okay, install it there, okay, like that. You can see, need to make sure that it lines everywhere, it goes in the grooves and it's not out. We'll recommend to start the car, lay it on for a couple seconds and check the belt again. That way you know if it's not lining or something's off. It's gonna come off, but you're not gonna be left in the middle of the road guys. Thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe, help us grow that channel together. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.